Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video here on the Onyx Automotive YouTube channel. Once again, we're back with another gloss black to satin PPF conversion. Today we're applying that xpels satin paint protection film to this Mclaren 720s. The way it sits right now, it's complete. We're going to show you the entire process and the finishing product and some before and afters. So make sure you stay tuned to the very end. The transformation of this car is probably one of my personal favourites yet. So the Mclaren 720s is now complete. You've seen the entire transformation from gloss black to this satin paint protection. And I tell you what a difference. Let me know what you guys think of the difference. Do you prefer it in gloss? Do you prefer it in satin? But remember, now it's in satin, it's also fully protected from stone chips and scratches across the whole vehicle, which ensures the customer that if it does get any stone chips, all they'll have to do is replace the PPF, which is a lot more cost effective than having to repaint any panel. go into some details anyway. Obviously the whole car's been protected. We've also done some very hard to reach areas, even down inside the door panel down here. When we do our PPF, we make sure it's an almost invisible install. What I mean by that is we don't want anyone to be able to tell that it's actually been paint protected, so we wrap every single edge where it's possible. Even inside the doors here, you cannot see any gloss black. If you enjoy these PPF videos and want to see more, make sure you subscribe with notifications on. We did actually do a very similar video to this, so if you enjoyed this one, make sure you go check out the Porsche Taycan we did. That's also a satin conversion, and we'll see you guys in the next one.